In the year 732 AD, a momentous clash unfolded in a small French village named Poitiers. The stage was set for a battle that would decide the fate of Western Europe. The opposing forces were vastly different. On one side stood Charles Martel, the Frankish mayor of the palace, leading an army of seasoned warriors. On the other, the Umayyad Caliphate, led by the formidable Sulayman. Charles Martel, a shrewd and determined leader, recognized the imminent threat that the Muslim expansion posed to Christian Europe. He understood that this confrontation was not just a battle, but a war for the soul of the continent. As the sun rose on the fateful day, the Muslim army, numbering in the tens of thousands, advanced towards the Frankish lines. The air was filled with the clatter of armor, the rhythmic beat of drums, and the anxious whispers of soldiers preparing for the fight of their lives. The Battle of Tours began with a fierce onslaught from the Umayyad forces. They pushed forward, their weapons glinting in the morning sun. But the Franks, led by Martel's strategic brilliance, held their ground, their disciplined ranks resisting the initial assault. The fight was long and brutal. The Muslim army, though initially strong, was gradually worn down by the Franks' relentless defense. By the end of the day, the Umayyad forces were forced to retreat, their dreams of conquest shattered. The victory at Tours marked a turning point in European history. It halted the Muslim advance into Europe and secured the Frankish territories, paving the way for the rise of the Carolingian Empire. Charles Martel, the victor, was not crowned emperor, but his victory echoed through the ages. His grandson, Charlemagne, would later go on to be crowned Holy Roman Emperor, marking the start of a new era in European history. The Battle of Tours was more than just a battle. It was a testament to the resilience of the Franks and the determination of a single man to protect his people and his faith. It was a battle that shaped Europe as we know it today.